Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. It's time for another plan with me. So get your planner printables if you don't have them already, or whatever you're going to work with. You can get these at beautyandthestamper.com. Just look for my free planner printables. So today I had so much fun with that little cactus last week. So I'm going to do another Dollar Tree stickers. This time I'm going to be using this one that has some tea times. It's got these great little wooden spoons, some coffee, and some cups there. So we'll see if we use them all. I did love the colors. It was kind of a rainbowy theme, but has some purples in there. So I ended up choosing 2 washi tapes today. And this one has the purple, and it says Be Wonderful, and it just has the why can't I think of the name, the ombre look there. So I have those, and then this one has the other colors in there. It's got hearts with an ombre of pink to blue, so I thought this would be really fun. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just start out here, and I do want it to say Be Wonderful, so I'm going to come right here. And I'm just going to be using my gift card here. I don't even know where it's from. It is a Target gift card. So any leftover gift cards that you have would be great. Notice that I use ones that don't have like credit card type numbers written on them. And that is because if you're going to be doing any type of filming of this, you don't want just to give out those numbers. And then we're going to do another one. I'm going to do it right down here, right in between. Just like that. And then just a tip, I always do that so I don't have to go searching for it. It's always just right there when I need it. And then for this one, I'm going to go right down here, cover up that name tag there. And then again on this side. Sorry, you could hear that fan, you guys. It is really hot here today, and we're in Arizona. And so really I'm not complaining too much. I'm just apologizing for the fan because I hear like people in California. Ugh, I heard you guys are having a rough go of it right now. I think my parents' house was 106, and they're in Orange County. They're not too far from the beach, so they even have the wind, so even cooling it down, it's still hot. So I'm just putting these about where I want, and I always think about what my week looks like before I start covering up lots of space on here. Oh, and I forgot, it's Labor Day here in the US, so happy Labor Day. If you guys are crafting today, that is fun. I think I'm going to do a DIY today, and I'll record that for you so you could see it. And now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my stickers. And just looking to see what fits, what works, what may not. I think I'm going to start with this I Love Coffee. Right down here. Because I know I don't have a lot of notes that I have to do today. And then I'm going to put this big, huge cup right up here. And sit that right on that base. excuse me. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are doing today. I'm going to come over here and look at this coffee cup. How cute is this? This one looks like, oh, there we go. This one looks fun, and I'm going to put that right in between here for my self-care and my gratitude. And then I think I'm going to kind of just use coffee cups on this, and that way I could save all of this for cakes and teas and whatnot. I think that's what I'm going to do. Not too much here. I'm going to put this one right over in the corner like that. And then I'm going to take this one and put it up a little bit more like that. All right, now I'm just going to get my books out here. I've got all my Happy Planner, and then this one came from Target. Usually with this one, I mean, the colors are going to match really well, but on here I kind of just put the dates. So that's what I'll be doing, and I'll do that afterwards. But how fun are those colors? And they all match. But while you're here, I always like to use my Healthy Hero, my quotes, my faith, and then just the random stickers. So I'm going to start with my random stickers, and the reason I do that is because this is the one that has things that I'm going to be doing. So like, where do I have? I'll look real quick. There we go. We've got our laundry basket here, so I know that I'm going to be doing laundry today. And I'm taking my last purple. Apparently I use purple quite a bit here. But I'm going to put that, I'm going to put it right up here because I started it already first thing this morning. So we've got that done. And then I just flip through here real quick, look to see if there's anything that I really need on here. Thinking about this weekend, I don't think I have really much of anything this weekend. So I try not to use stickers that I'm not going to be using. So if it says like girls weekend and it's not girls weekend, I do not do that. Now on Thursday is the football starting, so I'm going to put that down here just like that. And then I just flip through real quick, see if there's anything that I have here. I'm going to put on my Sunday is Family Day. It's always Family Day on Sundays. Oh, I'm going to use this one, and I am going to go ahead and use the green. And our gym has finally opened, which is very nice. I'm going to put that one right up here. And I think that's where we're at. I'm probably going to take one of these guys, which I always like to have. Where is it? This. And I think it's got some oranges in there, so I'm going to bring an orange one. I'm going to stick that right here. I know, I always turn it sideways. There we go. And then that way I have my list of to-dos there. I'm going to bring in our faith stickers. I always just like to look at them. If nothing else, if I can't find anything that is just amazing for the time. Okay, I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to put, instead of watch, I'm going to put top priority. And instead of buy, I'm going to put meetings, because I definitely know I have meetings this week. And then I'm going to change the do list to reminder. How about that? And then instead of to-dos, I'm going to change that onto don't forget. There we go. So remember, you can always change this however you would like. And right here, for self-care, I'm going to put on here, I'm going to bring it right down here, and it's going to say give grace. Because giving grace to yourself is self-care. Then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to put it on grateful for gratitude. And look at all the color. It's just super pretty. Oh, so nice. In fact, I'm going to take this one. Nope. I'm going to take this one. And it says cultivate kindness. I love it. I'm going to put that right down here. I'm actually going to stick that right under here. How about that? I don't know if you could see that. And it's a clear sticker, so let me show you. How cute is that? And then for this one is where I want to put, I'll put this one. If I could get it out. I love that it's rainbow. And we have all that rainbowy stuff going on here. And right here, right in the middle, put on the whole armor of God right there. Isn't that cute? You just make everything yourself when you have just a few sticker books. And then we've got some quotes. We're pretty close to being all filled up here, but I did see one that I saw on here. I'm looking just to make sure. Be fancy. There's relax. Sometimes you just need to be told to relax. Okay, I think I'm going to go back to the first one I saw, which has this pretty green color. And it just says, make yourself proud. And I'm going to put that right here. I do have things that I have to do, so I'm gonna make sure I leave myself enough room, but still want to put that on there. And then finally, my last one is my healthy. This one is all falling apart. And not because I use it so much, but because it just fell apart. I'm just going to take this one right down here, because I'll tell you, it's the same day of the gym here. I need to remind myself every so often, no excuses. But look how cute that is. Is that a cute page? I think I'm going to find something that goes right here. But other than that, I think I'm about done. I'll look through the healthy real quick. See if there's anything that I want on here. Oh, we've got drink more water, no fast food, take stretch breaks. That's a good one. Yeah, that's the one I'll go with. It matches really well, and sometimes you just need that reminder. I'm going to put that right on here. All right, I'm going to add my number stickers, and then I will post on Instagram. If you like this, please give me a big thumbs up, and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. And I will talk to you later. Bye!